Hello YouTube, iFixItAll here, Team iFixItAll. Let's go see what we have as far as eggs are concerned from the girls. Let's see, at 10 a.m. I've heard a lot of chicken cries. Save me from the egg song. Let's see who we got down here. Why, you on the nest? Are you on the nest? Okay, I won't bother you too much. You're April. I know. You wanna be YouTube famous? You wanna be YouTube famous? Tell me more. I'm gonna come a little closer. Okay, I'll leave you alone. That's cruel. Hi there, girl. Are you hiding something in here? Nope. And there's a little egg in here that probably came from Roadrunner. All right. Okay. You do your job, April. That's April. I hear you. Oh God, they're crowding me. They think I have a treat. Maybe we'll do a treat today. I have an idea. That's one egg. Seriously, Amy? Yeah? Okay. We hear you. This is my big mulch pile. I've got one down there, which is beat down. I got a huge one here. All kinds of veggies, all kinds of vegetable seed in there. I'm gonna have a bunch of volunteers. Let's see what we got in here. Oh God. They're singing the egg song. Almost, yeah, there we go. Anything in here? By the way, I solved my food container and water container. A couple of tin cans that's snipped vertically, and then that steel work is rolled with a pair of needle nose pliers so that there's no sharp edges when they come in and get. Setting on a piece of foam to help prevent freezing. Got a little wing nut here that kind of straps it in place. And then I've got my heater relocated up here, which is a couple of 75 watt incandescent bulbs. Radiates heat out. What we got for eggs? We got one, 2 eggs there. Okay. Let's put those in my pocket. That's 3 so far. Anything up here? Nope. Now, just so you're wondering, normally what I'll do is about once every couple of weeks, I'll rake this entire thing out and then put new bedding in, which are sacks of leaves that I've collected. Hi guys. Follow me around. Huh. Well, I kind of thought that during the days when you guys aren't struggling and all of that, that I don't treat you as often. Because I want you to have your natural instincts to go forage. And I know you can do this. Ah, hi, Amy. Amy, come here, girl. Come on. Oh, you're such a good girl. You looked at those eggs. Come on up on my lap. There you go. Yes. Amy. Amy, what you gonna do? I think that I will stay with you for a while, maybe longer if I do, if that's the way the song goes. I'm rocking her back and forth, and her head is... Hi. You gonna be YouTube famous? You do, you do, you do. Alright. Snuggling a chicken. Boy, she just all neck down low. Alright. I gotta collect up your butt bombs. I'm not done. Bouquet. Alright, girl. I gotta put you down. I'm sorry. Nice and easy. Okay. There you go, Amy. Let's see what we got over here, because I did find a place that I'm allowing them. I got this garbage area, like scrap metal project stuff on this side of the garage here. But I'm allowing them to lay over here. Aha! Because I just found this auxiliary laying spot. And so I had like 4 eggs over here. And to encourage them to keep coming back here, I left one behind, which is this one marked with a Sharpie. So it looks like I've got 2 more. Oh, that's 5 coming up. There's 5 of them in my pocket here. And I've got April on the nest. Back to that. I rake out the leaves and I allow them to fall right down in here. And then yesterday I got in here with a pitchfork and I kind of moved a lot of that stuff and threw it over here on the mulch pile. And man, was it plumb full of all kinds of bugs and things. So they're learning that this area also contains a lot of food source for them. This is everybody's first winter. Hello there. Hello, Flint. Be YouTube famous? Eggy. Jolene. 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 And then we're missing Joe. So yeah, it goes. The black ones are Jolene. 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 And the other one we named Jolene until we found out he was a rooster, so we had to name him Joe. But he got dog napped along with Tiara, which was a white chicken with black feathers all around the neck. Beautiful chicken. All right. Are you working things out, girl? Are you working things out? Huh? Is everything going to be okay? Making your nest? Alright, one of our last... God almighty, that's a dog that wants to talk. You sound like something from Jurassic Park, dude. I'm trying to prepare for when the hens go broody and what to do about that. And my problem here is I have them associating that area to laying eggs. And that's not a safe condition for hens that go broody. So I'm going to start migrating nesting boxes over to the secure chicken area over here. And I need to design something that's going to be safe enough and accommodating to them to encourage them to explore this new thing I've built and recreate a nursery area. I know they're going to go, somebody's got to go broody, and I don't want to lose control of this aspect, and I want it to happen on its own terms, but I don't want to be mad dash trying to figure out what to do about this broody hen, because I hear those barred rocks and australorps and buff orpingtons are in the top 10 of who likes to go broody. And I don't know what I'm going to do with the extra chickens. I don't like critters on a leash or pinned up, you know. I am an animal lover, per se. I'm also, I understand, I'm not against hunting or fishing, because that's, you know, that's perfectly fine. I mean, you're using stuff, but I worry that if I have too many chickens, then I'm going to be giving them to somebody who's going to give them a 5 foot by 5 foot area that's going to be muddy all the time and chicken shit all everywhere all the time, and they never have access to. Look at what these guys are doing. They're just muddling around the yard, living the life, the good life. Enjoying every single day, doing what chickens do. Like our cats and like our dogs used to do when we had a lot of dogs. And they're free. It's hard work staying free. Freedom is not free. Alright, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. And we got the 6th one on the way. I'm going to be going underneath the front porch today to find out if they have an extra hidey hole of laying area, and I'll explore that. But until next time, guys, see ya.